Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Alpine skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his goggles first. So this one should be fairly simple. We'll just draw one arc, and then we're going to come in on both sides. Okay, and then we're going to come back in a little bit more. Just kind of slant it down a little bit. And then from here you can actually make a mark there because we're going to connect that. So that's going to be the goggle. And then after that we're just going to draw in the same line, which is giving the goggle some thickness. So this part's easy. So we're just going to go all the way around. Okay, and then from there, let's draw in, well, let's finish up the top since it's so easy. So it's just gonna be one big circle, one big curve over it. So that's gonna be the helmet. Okay, so from here, let's draw in his nose, and this one's easy. We're just gonna draw in kind of a little angle like this, and then one more line in the middle because it's kind of sharp. And then now we can draw in the rest of the face. So we're going to come down. You can draw in two lines like that first, just to give yourself some reference points. And then just going to come down. Okay, and then let's see for the mask. Just draw two lines. And then there's going to be some details on the face mask. Alright, so it's really simple, and actually let me continue this part. This is part of the helmet. Alright, so that's the helmet itself. So that's nice and easy. Let's move on to the body, and for this, for the wrapping, for his things around his neck, let's draw a little bit more complicated. So we're gonna draw one curve like this first, and then we'll go out a little bit more. And then we're gonna come all the way down. Alright, and then on the inside, just draw a little angle, and then we can add in, we can extend those lines. Just adding some lines just so that it makes it look like cloth. And we can also even do this. Alright, look like it's being folded over. Alright, so from here, let's draw in the body. So we're gonna go out pretty wide, and then we're gonna pinch it in. Pinch it in all the way down to the waist, and then we're going to come across. This is going to be the top of his belt, and he's going to have a double belt, so we're going to draw two sections, one and then one smaller one on the bottom, and then the details on the belt, buckle, and then a little bit of detail, and we'll add in the loops. Belts are all the same on all the characters. So on the bottom, another buckle, and we'll draw two lines this way, and then the loops. Alright, and then let's see, in here we need to add in the strap. So we can just add in, I'm just drawing a line like this, two little lines, the strap. And then let's see, he's got some detail on this shirt. Just drawing that, and then the zipper is going to be right around here. Alright, so that's pretty much the body, and I'm not going to put in any of the patterns yet, because there's a lot of different patterns you can put in, so you can probably put in your own country that you want. So let's continue on with the arm. So we're going to come out on the shoulder, the armpit, biceps, lower arm, curve, and then we're just gonna close it. And we're gonna give one little section for some detail. And then now for his hand, I'm gonna make him just kind of default pose. So that's gonna be the thumb. And then this is gonna be the back of the hand. And then we're gonna draw one finger. and then 2, and then I'm just gonna close that one as a third one. I know we're missing a finger, but I can't draw too small with this. And you can't really see it anyway, it's supposed to be on the back, the smaller finger. And then on the glove, we'll add a little bit of detail. Alright, so now let's move on to the other arm, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. Curve it out. Biceps, and then we're gonna come out. And we can close that first because there's a different section on the glove. Now we're gonna pinch it in. Again, another rectangle on the glove. And let's draw his hand. So again, the thumb. And the back of the hand, just so that we know how big the hand's gonna be. And then we're gonna draw the finger. So 1, 2, and I'm just gonna close it off. All right, and then same thing here. One little rectangle, and there's gonna be a panel on this arm. And let's add in the armband on this side. So it's just gonna be 2 lines. And then we can make a little knot like this. Then we'll just add in 2 loose flaps. Okay, so let's move on, and well, let's give him a little backpack first. So this one's easy, we just kind of go up. Just kind of go all the way around it with a little bit of cornering. Okay, so come down and just kind of close it off. All right, so like a little box behind his back. So now let's move down to his legs. So in the middle, let's see, draw a little line. Then we're gonna come out, come back in, just close it off. And 2 lines, and then let's move on to the other side. Curve out. And then another box here. And then on the lower leg, so we're gonna come out. And then we're gonna pinch it back in. We'll close it off. We'll draw a dome shape. So, and then some details. And then we're gonna draw in the 2 lines. The armor. And then the other leg's gonna be the same. And close it off. And dome shape. And then he's gonna have 2 straps here. So we're gonna draw 1 and 2. And then now we just kind of continue those lines. So all the way down. All right, and then let's add in, he's got 2 straps up here as well. And then now let's add in the skis, so because he is an alpine skier. So we're gonna go up, back up here, and then this will be kind of easy. So we're just gonna start out with just 2 lines like this first. And then we just kind of pinch it in a little bit. This will be the tip of the ski. And then to give this some thickness, just draw another line. Same thing, just all the way down. And then we're gonna connect these. All right, so that's one. And then we're gonna draw the other one, and it's gonna be behind this so we can't see the whole thing. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in. Same thing, a little bit of perspective there. And then we're gonna continue this line as if it's coming through. And all the way down. Gonna come back up as if that's one full shape. And then we're gonna continue, we can add in the little perspective as well. And that is it for this Alpine skin in Fortnite, and you can add your own country markings. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.